Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will guide you through resolutions for fixing state repository high CPU usage in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. The first and often simplest solution is to restart your computer. Right-click on the Start button, then select the option to shut down or sign out, and finally choose Restart. This can often clear temporary glitches causing high CPU usage. If a simple restart does not resolve the issue, it is time to check for Windows updates. Again, right-click on the Start button and select Settings. Navigate to the Windows Update tab. In the right pane, you will find an option to check for updates. Click on this to ensure your system is running the latest patches, which can include fixes for performance issues. The final step we will take is to run a system file checker scan. This powerful tool can identify and repair corrupted system files that might be contributing to the problem. To begin, search for command prompt in your Windows search bar. Once it appears, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window, type sfc:/scan now, and then press Enter. This will initiate the scan process, which may take some time to complete. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.